Hi everyone, welcome back to Jabara. It's Barb. So today we had a ton to do in here. We had just got back from seeing family. We were gone for about 5 days. It was a great time, but when we came home, the baby started getting sick and it was just a mess. This was actually the day after we got home. I went ahead and started cleaning everything. We had ate a meal here and I was just too exhausted from traveling to even clean the day we got here, so I ended up just going to sleep and starting everything the next day. So I needed to clean the house, get all the boxes and everything from gifts out, and we needed to get the Christmas decor down. I decided to go ahead and rearrange the living room. There was just so much. It felt so good to get all the Christmas stuff down though. The house feels super minimal now and we love that. My husband walked out and he was like, oh, I love this, because he does not like a lot of stuff either. We just like it very minimal. It's just, I don't know, it's just relaxing and easy to clean, and when it is clean, it looks clean, so we just really like that look. So anyway, I'm gonna start here in the kitchen, just putting things away, getting some dishes done, all the things, and I hope this video motivates y'all. I hope y'all enjoy it. I am starting to feel a little sick myself, so I don't know how much I'll talk in this one. I'll try to come on and talk to y'all as much as I can though. If you're new here, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, all that good stuff. And yeah, let's go ahead and get this place cleaned up.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby, I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you, our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh.
So now that we're all done in the kitchen, I'm going to go ahead and take everything out of the dining room. This was our bag of like dirty clothes that we collected from the week of traveling, and I needed to get those started washing. And then I also just needed to put all this stuff away. I actually cleaned the boys' room a couple days later, and there is a video that's going to go up soon of a whole house clean. So I really hope y'all enjoy those a lot. Well, y'all do enjoy those a lot when I post them. So anyway, I'll go ahead and get that one edited as soon as I can. I am still working on that. But yeah, it felt so good to have the whole house clean. There's a lot of times when I've told y'all this before, I take care of the main areas really well. So that way, if we have company or whatever, but sometimes the rest of the house just gets away from me and it's hidden and I really don't worry about it, but I never let it get too bad. I do clean the whole house like once a week, maybe once every 2 weeks, the whole house gets cleaned, but I usually every week I clean a little bit in every room. I usually clean the bathrooms every day or every other day. But yeah, sometimes everything just gets away from me with all the kids and just life, but that's the way it goes. This is why I like to be minimal though, because it's just the more stuff you have, the more stuff you have to take care of. We already have a ranch and it's a lot to take care of. But anyway, now we're going to go ahead and start taking everything down from the living room. It wasn't that bad in here. We haven't really been hanging out in the living room as much. We are going through a TV situation where my husband and I wanted the bigger TV in our room, and so everybody has a TV in their room now. We just don't have one in the living room, so we need to get one for in here. But I kind of like it though, because it stays a lot cleaner when nobody's just piling in there constantly to watch TV. So I'm not sure yet if I even want a TV in the living room at this point, but I'm sure we'll get one eventually. But here lately, we haven't been watching a lot of TV. I never watch a lot of TV. I'm just not a TV person. I have a few shows that I'm super into. But other than that, during the day, the TV doesn't even go on for me. If I do watch anything, it's usually YouTube and it's usually educational. I listen to a lot of books. Like, that's just what I do. I know everybody's different though. My husband is a movie person, a TV person, and we're just totally opposite in that regard. But every now and then he'll get me to sit down and just chill and relax with him, which I think I need, because sometimes I just go and I won't stop. So anyway, we kind of balance each other out like that. But yeah, it felt so good to get all this. I love Christmas. Anyone who knows me on here knows that Christmas is my favorite holiday. I love decorating for Christmas, but there is something about taking it all down and getting your house back in order and just not having anything in it. I guess, we would probably never have all this clutter out, all year, but it's so much fun at Christmas time to see the house liven up and have all the colors and everything in it. But yeah, honestly, throughout the year, I just do not like a lot of stuff. I really want to go for some different techniques this year when it comes to decorating. I don't want to buy anything unless I absolutely love it. I don't want to buy cheap stuff anymore either when it comes to decorating. I really want to go for real plants in the house, and if I do want to touch a color, I would like to start just getting live flowers. I don't know, there's something about the fake plants and stuff that just isn't vibing with me at this time. So yeah, I'd like to do that. And also with furniture, if it is not something that is going to be here for a while, or I just want the real stuff for some reason. Like, something is calling me to just, restore old stuff, antique stuff like that, like the black and wood furniture back there. We restored that. It's an antique and I absolutely love it. It's one of my favorite pieces in the house. So that's what I want to focus on more this year, is finding stuff like that, thrifting, furniture, all that stuff, like just doing it a little different and seeing how we do. And I also want to start adding more of the colors, and I love blues and greens. That's what's hard for me. Like, I'm just not into other colors that much, especially when it comes to decorating, so I don't know, it'll probably be just a real neutral palette like that with the blues and the greens, and I have some ideas. So we need to work on the kids' bathroom first. I think that's gonna be the first room I start this year, and then eventually we need to get our daughter's room. We keep telling her that we're gonna redo her room, which her room is fine, it's really cool. We don't go in there much, but when I do, I'm like, wow, I really like the way she has it in here. It's her style. Of course, she's 12, but it's cute. She's very creative. And then our son's room, y'all will see that in the next video. We kind of redid that room, paint, floors. We're still working on getting the sideboards down and some of the trim. It's quite a bit, and I still need to finish some painting in there as well. So I got to add that to the list of things to do. There's just so much that needs to be done, but we'll get it all done. It's pretty much little stuff this year, except for, I guess, the big projects will be, I definitely want to get the carpet out of our bedroom. My daughter doesn't want carpet in her room anymore either. So those are like two big things that we need to budget in. I need to paint our bathroom in our bedroom. So yeah, just things like that. So hopefully we can get all that done this year too. And yeah, let me know if y'all have any plans for the year. I never know when things are going to get done. And this, like, 2022 flew by for us, so I'm sure it was like that for everybody. And one of our biggest things we need to get this year is we need to get our barn completely cleaned out. My mom and stepdad just gave us a pool table, so we need to go pick that up. But I told my husband I want the barn to be cleaned. We have a place in the barn that's like a little bar area. We used to use that all the time when we would hang out in there. There's a bathroom in there, there's a shower in there that we need to redo. Like, there's a lot going on in there that we need to get done. So I'll take y'all along on that journey if y'all want to go, but it's a lot. I can hear my voice and I sound horrible, so I'm going to put some more music on. I'm using the steam mop to clean the floors. Y'all love this steam mop. I always have it linked down below if y'all want to go check it out. It's on Amazon. Yeah, so anyway, I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm going to go ahead and play some more music, get this done. And yeah, I hope everybody had a good Christmas and a happy new year. And I love you all. Take care of each other. I will talk to y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.
All right. Hey, I'm looking for a couch to crash on. Tonight shouldn't be the night I go home with anyone. I've been out walking on the rougher patch now, but I must say, living on the edge of things has been kind of fun. Look, there's a bruise right here, one or a few on there. Man, did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on the show. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. You wanna break some things, alright. All of the cups are out of sight. You wanna drink 'cause I can buy. You're dancing on the table, so am I. I'm not usually the one who acts out. All those crazy little things we all kind of dream about. A good thing we are running out of sunlight. It's not necessary for these guys to know all about. Look, there's a bruise right here, one or a few on there. Man, did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on the show.